I figured I'd give you a shot here of the van. You can see all the gray and all different colors. But basically the gray colors here. Looks like it's dirty, but it's not. It's the plastic is worn down because of the sun. You can see major discoloration here. All the way along the side. Over here in the sun. I even took the license plates off so I could get behind them. But I'm gonna take some before photos and some after photos so you can see what this stuff does. You can tell this stuff is so easy to apply. I'm using the Jasco boiled linseed oil, and all you need is just that and 2 little rags. That's it. Lint free, probably better, but need one to put it on, one to wipe the excess off. Doesn't take much. I found it best if you do like a little swirling motion like you do wax. Works perfect. I don't know if you can see a difference or not, but this is the first coat. Normally I'll put 2 coats down, but this is the first coat. And you can see where I went a little over onto this piece, but you can see the color difference there. You can actually see the shine coming back. Go. First coat. Oh, I still gotta do that door handle. First coat's on. Everything's looking black, like it's supposed to. There's no weird discoloration between everything. So, on the first coat, I use basically I use like whatever rags I got, but on the second coat, that's when I use the lint free in the microfibers. So, but this is just the first coat here, and it already looks brand new again.
I apologize for this voice. I had to go to the throat doctor. One of my vocal cords has paralysis, so I can't talk, but I wanted to finish this video. The second coat has been applied and here are the results. So until next time, y'all stay safe out there.